Hi guys, for those who are interested, I'm changing my name from Incorrect Musician to Oversampled very soon. So if I don't post any videos, that means I didn't vanish and I'm still here making music but under a different name. Videos will appear as always, probably even more often, but under a different name, so keep that in mind. And this is a list of the future videos that are coming very soon. Quick tip series. These are the little things that can change your production game. Another video is VR Fat Rag versus Isotope Exciter. This is gonna be a very interesting video. This is gonna be about comparing two distortion methods, which is one that VR created. Obviously, like this is a effect rag that, oh hey, this is a fat rag. That means it's gonna make your basses sound good if they sound bad, whatever. And another video which is how to drum and bass. This is kind of a funny video which you shouldn't take seriously, kind of like the how to chill hop one. Okay, so peace.